Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 459 repeated substring pattern. So for this problem, we are given a string, and we just wanted to find the repeated substring. So for example, this AB is a repeated substring because there are two AB, and after connected those two ABs, it's going to become ABAB. And for this string S, so the substring AB gonna appear twice. So it is true, and for this one ABC, it appears 4 times in a row, so it's gonna be true. Yeah. So for example, if it is ABA, it is false. Yeah, because if we can choose A, this B is not repeated. If we choose AB and there's only A, there's no B. Yeah. Yeah, because it's gonna appear at least twice. If we choose ABA, it only appears once, so it's gonna be false. Yeah, so the easiest way is directly use the brute force. So this is the brute force idea. We just check the length of the string, and we're gonna check the I for I in range from 1 to n. And we just want to check if n modular I equal to 0, then it means it is possible. So for example, AB is gonna times 2 equal to this string. We just want to check if that is possible. So for example, this S gonna equal to S to I times n divided by I, if that is possible. So for example, if I equal to 2, so here this S to I gonna be equal to AB, and n gonna equal to 4 divided by 2, it's gonna be 2 times AB gonna be AB. So this is gonna be true. This is why it works. Now let me just submit it to prove that it can pass. As you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and the time complexity gonna be n squared. So this is O(n) time, and for here, this is another O(n) time, definitely, because this string times another one is gonna be O(n) time. So it is n squared. Now we're gonna use the KMP to reduce the time complexity to O(n). So how can we do that? Yeah. So let me first define a next array. So this is going to be the next table. Inside it's going to be a string. So for I in range of length of the string. Yeah, before that, let's just do some preparations for the next array and j pointer. So it's going to be -1 and -1. Now we're going to use our while loop to check while j more than equal to 0, and we're going to check the string I. If it is not equal to string sj, so j gonna jump to the next j, and after that is gonna plus equal to 1, and the next array gonna append this j. Yeah, so this is just a template. You can use any other template, it's gonna be the same. Yeah. Now we're gonna prepare a next table for the pattern. Yeah. Currently, we don't know which pattern it's gonna be, but we will solve it later. So we're gonna prepare the length of the string. Yeah. Now we're gonna find the pattern. How can we find this pattern? So we're gonna prepare the next method. So we're gonna call this string. And then we're gonna check the last character, and we're gonna assign it to k. K gonna equal to this one. So this means for KMP algorithm, we just want to check if that is possible to find the repeated patterns. So for example, AB, and definitely we can find this AB. So this means this k gonna equal to 2. Yeah. Here this k equal to 2 and this n equal to 4 for the first example. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do, we just want to have a final return, but this k may be equal to 0. So for example, it is AB. If it is just AB, so this k may equal to 0. So if k equal to 0, definitely it's gonna be a false. So we're gonna return a false. Yeah, but this k may be equal to 9 for this example, and this k equal to 9 because this is ABC. So from here, this one is the suffix, and this one is the prefix. So this k equal to 9. Yeah. So this means we have to reduce this k to, instead of 9, we're going to reduce it to 3, because the length of the string is 12, and the prefix and the suffix is 9, so we're going to reduce it to 3, because if we reduce it to 3, definitely we can use this 3 times 4 going to equal to the string s. Yeah, so we're going to reduce the k going to be equal to GCD. We're going to use this GCD with this n and nk. So after that k going to be reduced, this means if that is possible, so definitely this k for this example going to be 3. Yeah. Now we just want to return if this s equal to 2k n times n divided by k. Yeah. If we don't reduce it, for example, this is 9 and k equal to 9 and this is 9, definitely this is not possible. Instead of 9, we're going to use 3. Yeah, because 9 is too big, we're going to use a smaller value, and we're going to use the GCD n and k. N is 12 and k is 9, so the GCD with those two values is going to be 3, and 3 is possible, so that is why we're going to use this one. I think this is going to be the difficult part for the problem. Yeah. Now let me just run it and submit it to check if it works. So as you can see, it works, and it passed for all testing cases, and the time complexity becomes ON. So this is ON time here, and this is just O1 time, and for here this is an ON time, so the time complexity is going to be ON. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Yeah, now let me just submit it again to prove that should work. Yeah, as you can see, it works.